quit yelling off, but no more. No more contestants. Get ready. All the way to the spin. And the pass got to be equal. Close your hands when you get ready. Are you ready? Set, go!
Go! Eat it! Go! Go!
You folks back there with the rope, please back up and sit down. These folks behind you can't see. You need to back up and sit down.
Go, go!
The folks behind you can see.
Go, go!
Kneel down, get down, do something, get out of the way so the folks behind you can see. Thank you, thank you. When I get them all three down, throw your hands up. All the way to the spin. All the way to the spin.
Go, honey, go! Go! Good! Good, you're doing good! Good job, honey! Go, honey! Yeah! She won! Yeah!
Carol, check her out. You got him?
Yeah!
Have you got a winner? You got second? I need three placements, first, second, third.
Go!
We've got two, Jim.
We got two.
We're looking for third. That third? Okay, first, second, third. Come on around. All right, first place. What's your name, man? Traci Presley. Where are you from? El Paso, Texas. Santa Teresa, New Mexico. I'm sorry. I don't hear any better than my little girl, so you have to holler. Where are you from, man? Second place. Kelly from Santa Fe. Thanks, Kelly. Third place.
Just like you're giving her the bag. Just get a photo op here.
Oh.
Benita from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Yeah!
All right,
I'm just doing film.
Off the table, getting ready for you.
I'm just doing film.
Here's
First place.
Green. Lisa, second right here in the green.
Good.
All right, second.
One second. Are you
Honey.
with her?
Yeah, I'm with her.
What's your name?
Traci.
Traci.
I got all that down. You gentlemen, get ready to line up over there. They're taking up the men.
She's from Santa Teresa, New Mexico.
Is that right?
Santa Teresa, New Mexico. Uh-huh.
Thank you.
And if I win, you can save a couple.
Jay, Jesse,
Honey, I'm so
Wade
glad.
Randall,
Was it easy or no?
Ray, Tim
Just remember to swallow,
Nathan Cobb,
get the water out, and
Lisa
swallow and gulp
Sutton.
and gulp.
Okay, do I turn it off or not yet?
Huh?
Yeah?
Yeah, turn it off.
Too late, we're full.